Welcome to the shop where I just got my new back bumper from Dragonfire Racing for my Razor XP1000. The strike rear bumper comes with installation instructions. The bumper itself comes with the installation hardware that you're going to need. Mine came with the Dragonfire stickers, and it also comes with a warranty registration card. But anyway, let's get all this unwrapped and let's get this bumper installed. Now the first thing you want to do is jack up the Razor, get the wheels off the ground, support it with jack stands. Once you do that, we can go ahead and remove these 4 bolts holding this factory plate on. Next, we got 2 10mm bolts to remove. One on each side right behind the muffler. Next, we're going to start installing the new Dragonfire stripe bumper. We're going to use 2 of the factory bolts, run them into the 2 top holes. With one of the bolts started with a nut on the back side, I'm going to go ahead and take the second stock bolt, slide it through, and take my factory locking nut and put it on the back side of that bolt. With those 2 bolts started and loosely in place, I'm going to go ahead and install these 2 bolts. Now with that loosely in place, we can take one of the supplied bolts, washers and lock nuts and loosely install it. On this side we're going to do the same. Next, I'm going to take one of the bolts along with the washer included in the kit, and I'm going to take the spacer included in the kit. Take the spacer, run the bolt through the spacer, and run it through the factory rod. An extra hand here, this would be just a little bit easier, but it can be done. Then I'm going to take one of the factory nuts, install it on the bolt. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Take the bolt, put the spacer behind it, run the bolt through the spacer, then take the factory locking nut and use it on the supplied bolt. Now with all the bolts started, you want to step back, look at the bumper, make sure it is lining up good with everything, and if it looks good to you, then we can come back and we can tighten everything down. I'm going to start with these 4 here, then I'm going to work my way up and tighten them all down. Now with those 4 tight, I'm going to tighten up these small 10mm factory bolts. Now with the back bumper installed, we can go ahead and let the jack down, put all our tools up, and we're ready to ride.